All right, these are the Merrell ThermoChill mid waterproof black shoes. I'm just gonna go ahead and open these up so you can get a good look at them. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out right here. And here's the shoes. This is the left one, and this is the right one. You can see right here. And basically it's an insulated shoe to keep your foot warm. ThermoChill insulated shoe keeps your foot nice and warm. It actually says warm here. Can you see that? If you look at the bottom, there's a lot of grip going on right here. Good for getting traction in the snow and the elements. A lot of good traction right here from Merrell. On the side, you can see the stitching that comes along. Nice stitching, the waterproofing. The shoe, the tongue of the shoe is built to not allow water through, snow through to get to your feet. So here they are side by side. It has laces at the top right here, and it has the tooth laces right here where it comes in like that. Like that. And the other parts of the laces actually have holes in them so you can lace them up. Has the Merrell emblem. It has a hook on the back to where you can pick it up and put the shoe on. A nice looking shoe. This is what they look side by side comparison. I'm going to try these out and see how well they work in the elements. They're supposed to work really well. And one thing to know, it says waterproof right here. Let you know about that. So these are the Merrell ThermoChill mid waterproof shoes. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.